unlike in the past when we said it was 16% we expected during the course of this year, although in fairness, we did say we would seek outside of COVAX. COVAX had made a commitment of 16%, 450,000 people. We are in a position now, based on the budget, to say that we have the resources to secure vaccines for some 2 million Jamaicans. And that budget was announced today, which means that we have allocated over 34 million US dollars, or some 5 billion Jamaican dollars, for these manufacturer facilities. And in addition to COVAX, we are also, as I said, in talks with India, Moderna, and the private sector, and the African Medical Supplies Platform through CARICOM. So the discussions that are taking place now are around how we secure the stocks of vaccines, not whether or not we can afford it.